Welcome to today's video. For those of you who are new to the channel, I showcase Birmingham rollers with freestyle FPV flying. It's the last Saturday of the month and I'm at Jed's re-upping on supplies. These muff birds were the only rollers available today. Now let's get back to the pigeon coop.
Alright, while I'm at it, I want to show you my breeding cages. Little chicks crowing over here. Little rooster. So these are the parents to all of them. Crap. How about I do this? Beautiful bird. You see these latches? They were 3D printed. I 3D printed all of these latches on the cages. I think it cost me like 11 cents to print 3 of them. That was good. I tried printing out hinges, but they were just too weak and they would break. They kept breaking. So this side are my bald heads, and this side right here is, these are my Art Martinez. Living down here, and this is another Paragon. This one's a little hard to open. You can still see them in there. Shit. Let's see what we got here. Oh, they're back. See, these guys are back. Well, at least he is. Come on. See, he's already coming. Come on. See, he's already here. Come on, get in. So one of them didn't come back. Get in. Let's entice them with some of this. All right. Looks like I lost one. See, he just flew. They came right out of that trap. But this is my setup. What I did, I cut the dog kennel, and I just put it up there like that. Took me like 3 minutes. I'm gonna end up building a new kit box though. Have someone building it for me. All right, let's check out this area. So this is, let's make sure we get it all in here. My loft. This is 22% pellets and show conditioner. This is the show conditioner. And it's completely open. So you can just get the air flowing through here, keep it cool. That tree is a godsend. I think provides shade to this whole setup. It's 113 degrees out here. It's 7:30 in the morning. Some bold. Whoa.
Here I released 3 birds. Right here, I noticed one of them land on top of the kit box. It's one of my hens. She's got good kid sensitivity and good homing instincts, but doesn't roll whatsoever. These 2 that are still up in the air, on the other hand, do roll twice a minute. That one and that one. They're about 10 feet. But I do see that they fly in a figure 8 formation. They're not afraid of the drone. See, as you can see, figure 8, they're going back around. I wish they could fly for a little longer, but now I do see that now that they're more comfortable, they're rolling. I do see that they fly a little longer, but right here they only fly for about 3 minutes. Figure 8 formation, not rolling too much. They're only 3 months, the first time out. Woo! See one trying to land. I think I'm part of the kit. As you can see, they keep following me. So this is a good way to show them how to do a figure 8 formation. I've seen birds that just fly in circles, or they'll just fly really high. However, I can't get them to get up. I can't get them off that wire, that telephone wire. I'll try to scare them. They won't get scared. So this is just the beginning. I am way ahead of this. I have a lot more birds flying. I just want to show baby steps. This is what's been going on. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for future updates. If you're going to want an FPV, you're going to have to buy a lot of props. As you can see, I broke 3 here.